Welcome to Boatshed Yorkshire. Today we've got an interesting one. We've got a sea cat, which is basically a catamaran, and it's a coastal runner 2690. She's got lots of forward space, cabin for two, radar fitted. She's had a complete overhaul and refit in the last couple of years. She's powered by two virtually new Mariner 150s. Lovely suite of electronics, saloon for two berths. Cooker's been taken out but could easily be reinstated. Sink. Great electronic suite and tons of room, big double there, and a sea toilet. And as I say, she's in beautiful condition, very clean and tidy, and very worth taking a closer look at. So this is the Sea Cat Coastal Runner 2690, and if you'd like to know more, please take a look at boatshedyorkshire.com.